We're going to make the two-barrel hinge into a three-dimensional object. However, by the way we do this, it actually turns into a three-barrel hinge, which you'll see at the end of the video. Before we start, you want to create a layer for 3D. So click on your layers, click on New, and name it 3 Dimensions. I'll just do 3D. Give it a bright color that you haven't used yet, or one that you used before for other three-dimensional drawings that you like them to look as when you finish making them in 3D. Then make it current by double-clicking the word so the green check mark is current. There's no need to change this line type or line weight. If you accidentally change the line type and line weight, change it back to continuous and default. You could also close the layers we're not using right now, which include dimension, hidden, center, and others that have text or information the way you don't need. So all you see are the object lines, as you see here. Some of the 3D commands you're using, what you see here on the screen, include the commands called region, the command called boundary, the command called extrude, a command called union, a command called align, a command called subtract. We will be using additional object snaps in the 3 object snap command, which we have yet to use, which we will now, which are here. These 3D object snaps will activate 3 of them, in addition to your 2-dimensional object snaps, which still work in 3D. You will also be using some view commands, such as these, and a command called UCS, which I'll type in for you. And at the bottom of the screen, you could do things such as choosing different types of directions. Most likely we'd be using the View UCS icon option. That's this thing you see on the screen. We will also be using different directions, southwest isometric, in addition to the other 6 views, and ways of viewing our object, including 2D wireframe, conceptual, and the rest you see here. You can access those same locations here on the top left of your screen, where those words are located, as you see here. We're going to draw the 2-barrel hinge in 3D, which actually ends up being the 3-barrel hinge when we're done. The first step is to copy your objects off to the side. Step 2 is to turn off all of the layers. And step 3 is to make a new layer called 3D and make it as bright that you can as color, and set that layer current. So go ahead and do those steps. I've already done those steps. I got to make a copy of these features. So I'll use the copy command, select everything, hit enter, pick a base point, and just copy it off to the side.